How to recover deleted apps from the Play Store on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and reinstall any app you've previously downloaded anytime you've ever downloaded. First, open the Play Store app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Manage Apps and Device. At this point, tap the Manage tab at the top. Following this, tap the Filter option and select Not Installed from the dropdown. This will show you every app you've ever downloaded on your account that isn't currently on your device. From here, find the app you want to recover from the list and tap on it. Finally, tap Install to download it back to your device. Keep in mind that all your previously downloaded apps stay linked to your Google account, so even if you switch to a new phone, you can always come back here and reinstall anything you've downloaded before. That's how you recover deleted apps from the Play Store on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.